Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at the beautiful Sharavati Kandla Mangrove Boardwalk in Honnavar. Just look at this place. So peaceful, so green and full of life. As I walk through this wooden pathway surrounded by mangroves on both sides, it feels like entering completely different world. You can hear the birds, the gentle sound of water. It honestly so calming and refreshing. This spot is perfect if you want a break from busy life. If you ever visit Honnavar, don't miss this hidden gem. So, continuing the trip, I have come to Jatayu Tirtha in Gokarna. And seriously, just look at this view. It's so raw and untouched, like proper nature vibes. The waves hitting these rocks, the sound itself is so relaxing. Also, the breeze here is so nice, instant mood refresh, and it's not too crowded, which makes it even better. And guys, this next part is just something else. The ride itself was so beautiful, like full greenery on both sides. Fresh air, tiny water streams flowing beside the path. It honestly felt like we were riding inside nature itself. Cool breeze, fresh earthy smell, and that soft sound of flowing water in the background. This is the kind of therapy we all need sometimes. After that came the real adventure. We had to trek a bit, and honestly, it was not that easy. Walking through the greenery, uneven paths, little rocks, we were getting tired, but at the same time, it felt so worth it. And then, from a distance, we got a small glimpse of the cave. The tiny view itself gave us so much excitement to keep going, step by step, getting closer. And finally, after all that walking, we reached this hidden cave. And this is Yana Caves, surrounded by massive black rock formations. This place feels unreal. These rocks are so tall and unique. It almost looks like something out of a movie. The trek might make you tired, but trust me, this view makes it all worth it. Yana is definitely a place you shouldn't miss. We continued our journey to Medjin Fort, such a calm and beautiful place. Walking through those stone corridors really felt like stepping back in time. Perfect spot for some aesthetic shots. Then we headed to our final stop, Om Beach, where the waves and peaceful vibe made it the perfect ending. Just like that, this beautiful trip comes to an end.